How to enter Box 12 information on your W-2 in Jackson Hewitt. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to head over to jacksonhewitt.com in a web browser. Then over here, you want to click on Login/Sign Up option, then select My JH account from there. On the next page, you will have to log into your account. For that, enter your username or email ID. Then you want to enter your password. After that, you want to click on the Sign In option. Once you have been signed into your account, you want to access the section where you are working on your tax return. This will be labeled as Continue My Return. Then navigate to the section where you enter your W-2 information. This will be labeled as W-2. Now you want to locate the Box 12. Look for a specific entry field or section related to Box 12 on your W-2 form. It will be labeled as Box 12 or Code 12. Then you want to enter the code from Box 12 of your W-2 in the designated field. The codes in Box 12 represents various types of compensation or benefits. Enter the corresponding amount from Box 12 next to the appropriate code. If you have multiple entries in Box 12 with different codes, repeat the process for each code and amount. Then you want to review the information you entered for accuracy. Once confirmed, save your returns. Then proceed with completing the rest of your tax return. The information from Box 12 may impact certain tax calculations. Be sure to check for any additional guidelines given on screen. If you face any difficulties during this process, you can always contact the customer support of Jackson Hewitt. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful